everyone, have a good day to all of you and welcome back again to my channel. So before we start, I would like to greet you to all my brothers and sisters out there who is celebrating their Christmas. Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year to all of you guys, and wishing you all the best life to this coming new year. Alright, so and now we're going to proceed to our reaction video. So our next reaction video for today, guys, is all about money for music. This is a movie song of Khongpham Ama. So that was the title of the film, and the title of this song is EIDI KIJEIYE 2021 by Kennedy Coman and Pushpar Rani, and it was uploaded by Tantha. Thank you so much, Tantha. Alright, so are you ready to watch this Khongpham Ama movie song, guys? By the way, one more thing, guys. For those new to my channel again, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button for me for more latest update here in my channel. So without further ado, let's get now and watch this video. EIDI KIJEIYE. Look at the falls there. It's a beautiful falls behind there. Oh man! There we go, the voice of Pushpar Rani. Wow, if I'm not mistaken, guys, just like a Meitei tribe. This one. I think this is a Meitei guy, or guy here with a long hair. I saw this guy in my one of my reaction videos. Correct me, guys, if I'm wrong, but I think this guy is a Meitei tribe. Look at this guy. Wow. They're showing us how beautiful Manipuri state is. Look at that! Oh my god! Oh man! They're showing us the cultural dress here. Wow! As well as the traditional dance. Oh my god! How beautiful Manipuri it is! Oh my god! They're showing us the castle there. Is this a castle? Wow, I like their costume, guys. Wow. Oh. And this lake is look like a Luktak lake. Correct me, guys, if I'm wrong, alright? But that was my idea. I saw this before. This guy, if someone told me that this guy with the long hair is a Meitei tribe. Wow. A different shooting here. Wow, my God. I'm so proud to be a Manipuri. Wow. The voice of Pushparani and Kennedy Coleman. Wow, amazing guys. I like it so much. Look at that. Absolutely, guys. Then I like it so much. I'm so happy to sing like these guys because that's all, guys. Wow. Khongpham Ama official movie song. Oh my God. Oh man. I'm so happy. And you know, I'm so proud to the Manipuri state because they're showing us how beautiful Manipur it is, guys. The natural beauty of Manipur. They're showing us the cultural dance, cultural dress. Perfect, guys. I like it so much. As well as the this film. I don't know because I'm not watching Manipuri film before, but if I understand, guys, if there is a subtitle or English subtitle in the movie, I watch it, guys. I watch it and honestly watch it, guys. And sometimes I'm so happy because, you know, this is my first time, guys, or yeah, this is my first time to watch a Manipur movie. Yes, if I'm watch it, guys, if there's no subtitle, I'm just looking for the story and relate what it is, guys. So guys, well, did you enjoy this music, guys? A movie song of Khongpham Ama. If you like it, guys, please share it to your family, to your friends, and please don't forget to give this a lot of a thumbs up as you know, as a way of our support for this kind of music. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoy and happy to watch it, my reaction of video. So until the next reaction of video, guys, see you there. I love you all. God bless you and bye bye.